English class. Children, today I will explain you English revision. Okay, take out your classwork books. Yes, children, all of you all take out your English notebook. From where we have started the revision. Yes, first question number 1. Use the given letters below and make as many words as you can. Children, any letters are given to you, not only this SATPIN, any letters from A to Z. You should know how to make the words. Okay, children, learn the bit. Fine? Now let us come to the second bit. Write real or imaginary. This bit is about what the real things are and what imaginary. Okay? The things which are not true are imaginary. Yes, children? Now I can fly is imaginary. Human beings can't fly. Okay? So like that you have to learn this bit also. Fine, children? Any sentence will be given to you. You should read it, understand and write it is real or imaginary. Fine? Okay, now chalo, turn to next page. Change one to many. Singular, plural. You all know. Okay? So you have to change one to many. You have to add the letter S, and for some words you have to add the letter ES. Okay, children? Watch, WATCH. Many, how you will write WATCHES. Box also, BOX, box. BOXES, boxes. Fine? Okay, children, now come to the next bit. Here rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. So you all know what to do. Here for sentence you have to start with capital letter and end with full stop. Wherever proper naming words are there, for those words you have to write the first letter capital. Okay, children? So any sentence is given to you, you should rewrite it in a proper way. Fine? Now come to the next bit. Put the events of the story in order. This bit, if any of the story is given, you should read it, understand and write the numbers properly. How it is taking place. First what will come first? Then next. Okay. Okay, children, this is the bit about putting the events in order. Okay, now you have another bit. Write words, 4 words with tr, br and dra. These are the blends. Okay, we have so many blends. From block 1 to 8, there are so many blends. So any blend is given to you, you should able to write it. Okay, children? Now turn to the next page. Here read the paragraph and answer the questions. So your paragraph will be given to you. Any paragraph is given to you, you should able to answer it. You have to read the paragraph, okay, and then read the question, write the answers. Answers you can find in the paragraph itself only. Okay, children? Yes. Now write a question for these answers. Okay. Now if question answer is usually what you will write, question we will give, answer you will write. But here if answer is given to you, 1 minute children, if answer is given to you, you should know how to make the question. Okay, children? Read this bit properly, okay, so that you can make the questions. Already this block is explained to you. Same thing what I told you, we have so many blends. With any of the blends you can write the words. This is make sentence. Yes, this also from starting we are doing. Any word is given to you, you should able to make the sentence. Okay? Fine. Now fill in the blanks with the correct word. Here pronoun, like pronoun we are using here. Okay, this purse belongs to me. This is dash purse. This is my purse will come. Okay, if naming word is given, girl's name, what you will write? You will write her. Okay, this also explained to you. Read and write. These are the blends. Okay. Write about your favorite festival by answering these questions. It is in workbook. Learn. Now children, write one rhyming word for each word. Rhyming words you all know. The last letters will be same. Okay, those words are called rhyming words. Now make 2 sentences each having a pair of rhyming word. Here what we did, we make a sentence with 2 rhyming words. Okay, rhyming words we made the sentence. Read the poem and underline the rhyming words. You all know in each and every poem the rhyming words will be at the end of the line. The last words will be the rhyming words. Okay? Fine. Children, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. So pronouns you all know. He, she, it, they, we. All these are pronouns. So instead of repeating the naming word so many times, what we will use? We will use the pronouns. Okay, children? These are also blends. Okay? Now, underline the common naming words and circle the proper naming words. I have already explained to you. Common naming words means name of any place, people, thing and animals, children. Proper naming word means particular person, particular place we are talking about is called proper naming word. Proper naming word, always the letter, first letter will be in capital letter. Okay, children? This one also clear? This is I have given from your workbook. Read the sound words, draw picture of things that make these sounds. Okay? Now what are describing words? Okay, describing words are also called as adjectives. What are describing words? That is describing more about a thing, a person or a thing or animal is called describing words. Okay, children? So these are the describing words. Now this is word web. I have explained you what is word web. Now add E to the following. Okay, last you have to add the E to the following. Now this is ER, adding ER to the following. This one also I have given homework from workbook. Okay, so learn. Yes, children, learn the revision from your reader, workbook and classwork. Children, days will be given to you. Okay, so come on those days and collect your question papers without fail for your marks, children. Okay, so marks are very important for your promotion to the next class.